You did it. You closed the deal. You positioned yourself as the best choice. The customer hired you, and now it's time to start cleaning. But what do you do first? In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to start up a cleaning account after the contract has been signed. So the first thing you want to do is you want to confirm the customer's preferences, their hotspots, and what are their expectations. Yes, during the sales process, it's likely that you explained how your company takes complaints and requests and comments, but I promise you that the customer has forgotten. They will always revert back to the way that the last company or companies have done things. Now that they have committed, you want to schedule a phone call or a face-to-face meeting to confirm that the preferences are set. And those could be email, phone, text, or in person, or some combination of each. I recommend that you have an internal process that you recommend only one, because it's likely the main reason they struggled with previous companies was because of the way it was done before. Email is always best, so you have an electronic account of things. You are also going to want to remind them of the hotspots or the things that they brought up that they were upset about during the sales process. Explain how you intend on solving those problems and ensure that they meet their expectations. If other things come up during this part of the conversation that fall outside of the scope that you originally agreed to, it may mean you need to adjust your pricing. Remember, you never want to give things away. Doing it now sets a precedence. Get paid for what you do.
You guys are getting paid?
Hey, really quick, I wanted to say thank you for all of your great comments. It makes creating videos that much better when we know what you want to see. If you have a question for us, leave it in the comments below and we'll do our best to create a video for you. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it when we do. Next step is complete a security and access walk at the facility. So within 7 days of the actual start date, you want to schedule a face-to-face meeting with the customer to perform a facility walk. Here's a list of things that you'll need to confirm and or receive. Number 1, during this walk, you will want to get keys or key cards and security codes. Always ask where the access point is to the building and check that the keys provided open the doors. If you have other crews that may enter the building, like floor care or quality assurance teams, ask for an additional key. You want to confirm that the key opens the janitorial closet and any other office doors as well. Number 2, you want to check your janitorial closets for water access and storage. At this point, you should be also considering what equipment you're going to have for this facility based on the requirements, but also on the storage. Always ask if you can add a wall-mounted dilution control system. You're going to need permission. While in there, look around for paper goods and confirm the process to request more product, unless, of course, you're doing that as well. Number 3, next, review the alarm pad and ensure that you know how to arm and disarm the system. Ask for an emergency number if the alarm goes off for some reason. Typically, there is a code word. You'll need to know, otherwise the police will be dispatched. Number 4, ask where the lights are located and what their preference is with leaving lights on. Some customers want lights left on for security purposes. Number 5, where's the dumpster? If there is a recycling can, you may need to clarify how they are managing their recycling program. Hopefully you figured this out during the sales process, but salespeople are salespeople.
Our prices have never been lower!
Number 6, you want to schedule a meeting with the customer after night 1 of cleaning. Too often, operators forget to visit after that first night. If trash is going to be missed or doors are going to be left open, paper not filled, it's going to happen after night 1. You want to schedule that meeting in this meeting. Thanks for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.